Yeah, I'm using this brie wax on this really cool barnwood table, and it's just turning out amazing. It just brings the whole thing together. All these different colors and tones. Look at the top of this thing. It's beautiful. Add a little Tudor brown brie wax to this. It does amazing things. It transforms this table and makes it look awesome. I love it because it fills in all the little tiny cracks and crevices and any of these natural character marks and voids that are in here, nail holes, all that stuff. Really, really makes this pop. I mean, this has got rich hues. This is starting to look like old weathered saddle leather. Look at that. I mean, it's just gorgeous. Love it. Look how beautiful that's turning out. I'm telling you, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous piece of furniture. And you see all the color and character and richness that comes out. There's no stain on this. This is a clear coat and then the brie wax on the surface. And look what it does. It's literally like magic.